your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make mixed fruit drink. So guys, let's go. In here I have bananas, pear, honeydew melon, orange, cucumber, and watermelon. Put them in my blender and blend. So as to get rid of the chunks in it. This is how it looks. So thick. Mixed fruit drink is ready. Give this a try at home and I'll be expecting your feedback. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, See you.